All right, I've summarized what's in basket 1 and basket 2. And we're trying to figure out what's the probability that we get an apple and an orange. There's only 2 ways this can happen. All right, how am I going to write this down? Remember, too, that OR means addition and means multiplication. So we have to be careful about how we write this problem, okay? So what we could do is we could get an apple from basket 1 and an orange from basket 2. Or we could get an orange from basket 1 and an apple from basket 2. So I said apple from basket 1 and orange from basket 2. So that's why we're going to multiply those 2 probabilities together. And our other case was orange from basket 1 and apple from basket 2. So there's 2 ways it could happen. This or this. So that's going to be a plus sign. Now what's the probability you get an apple from basket 1? That would be 4 out of 6. Times, what's the probability you get an orange from basket 2? 5 out of 8. Okay, probability of orange from basket 1 will be 2 out of 6. Apple from basket 2 will be 3 out of 8. So 4 will go into 8 twice. That leaves you 5 over 12 plus 2 will go into 8 4 times. 3 will go into 6 2 times. That's 1 over 8. And a common denominator when we add fractions will be 24 plus 24. And that's going to be a 10. And this is going to be a 3. So I get 13 over 24 for my answer.